Aerial Barre, lean, tone, fly. What is aerial barre? Aerial barre is a workout method that combines aerobics, barre, and aerial. Aerial barre consists of 7 elements in which help us reach our highest goals. The first element, the mind. The mind houses our consciousness, imagination, perception, thinking, our intelligence, judgment, language, and memory, as well as our emotion and instinct. The power of the mind. Our mind has the power to create our very perception, the way we see ourselves and the world around us. It has the ability of thought and reason. It can store memories and make memories, creating the life you want. Our goal is to learn to use the mind the way it was intended, for intelligent thought processing and the ability to manifest our life by diving deep into the subconscious mind. Once we apply our minds in the way it was intended, we will naturally find ourselves in a state of peacefulness and wellness. In Aerial Barre, we encourage you to declutter your brain. Ways to do this is by becoming organized within your life. Getting enough sleep so that you have a more clear mind to become more organized. Drinking lots of water during the day to help flush those toxins out. Eating vegetables to help your body become more alkaline. Move the body each and every day to get that spinal fluid pumping to help your body feel good from the inside out. Trying to find no judgment towards others and trying to find the grace. Saying your daily affirmations so that you can tap deep into that subconscious mind. You want to rid of those things or people that do not serve you well. Rid of the toxic habits and pathways. Your second element is breath, the first gift given to us when entering the world. Aerial Barre has 3 types of breathing techniques. The first one is going and flowing. The second is the circ breath. The third, the out and in. Going and flowing. This breath is a continual breath with no specific way to breathe in or out, but the objective is to keep your breath going and flowing. The circ breath. This is a circulation breathing technique with a 5-count breath. It is a combination of the Ujjayi yoga breath and the Pilates 5-count breath. This is also my personal favorite breath as it will specifically help to increase cardiovascular endurance. The out and in breath. You exhale on the contraction and inhale on the release of the contraction. This breath technique is usually used when you are in the fatigue phase, when you are beginning to shake and trying to push past that to create and build muscle. Your third element, heart. The heart connects you with your innate soul qualities so that you can access higher spiritual knowledge, your soul's gifts and abilities. When your heart is balanced, you are more grounded in your truth and operating from your highest self. By healing the heart chakra, one may experience a boost in energy, positivity, love and compassion, and even an increased sense of connectedness to life. Ways to help your heart: practice acceptance, accepting who you are and the world around you. Being open to your emotions, whether you are someone who is an emotional person trying to, have control over your emotions, or if you're someone who holds onto your emotions too much, trying to release your emotions and trying to be more vulnerable. Work on letting go. Instead of hanging on to everything so tightly and holding on to that negativity, just relaxing and let it go. Find the happiness in the chaos. We need to dig deep inside of ourselves to find that golden light so that we shine bright inside and it reflects outward and helps other people to shine bright. Our fourth element, posture. Good posture is important for our bodies to function at its best. With proper posture, our organs have space to function, our lungs have room to expand to take in oxygen and to expel the toxins. Slouching makes all of this difficult as the space between our shoulders and hips shorten. Having good posture will help you have an amazing foundation, though, that will protect the lower back from an aging to pain. Learning how to use your deep core muscles will give you the foundation you need. Our fifth element, stability. Having a stable core is so important for preventing injuries. This is where our foundation is created. Better body balance makes it easier to move and helps prevent injury, but it's a use it or lose it kind of thing, which means it's important to practice balance at all ages in your life. Kinesthetic awareness, or the ability to know where your body parts are in a three-dimensional space, is required for every movement we make with aerial bar. This is because of the tool that we have decided to use, which is the aerial hammock and the aerial silk. With this tool, it creates more proprioception, which is the awareness in our body. The proprioception is the unstable environment. Our sixth element, strength. Regular strength and resistance training helps prevent the natural loss of lean muscle mass that comes with aging. Strength training is an important part of your overall fitness and benefits people of all ages, particularly those with health issues such as obesity. Same with arthritis and heart conditions. In aerial bar, we use a metabolic approach to building strength and lean muscle. This means we work our muscle until it becomes tired and wants to give up. If you can hang on, the muscle then begins to shake, causing a vigorous and fast contraction of the muscle, which leads to a muscle fiber tear, which then leads to building muscle. And this is why we don't have to use like an iron weight, such as like a mechanical load, to create muscle build. Our seventh element, nimble. Flexibility leads to better blood flow, less frequent injuries, and a greater ability to increase muscle tone. If our bodies feel free to move, we have less pain and more happiness. As you can tell, we are all about and very passionate about feeling good, and not just for the moment, but for life. So I hope that this helps you to understand aerial bar a little bit better, and I will see you in the next module.